Welcome back to another video on PowerExchange for MongoDB. Previously, we had shown you how to create an ODBC connection to MongoDB. We also saw how we can read and write to MongoDB using Informatica's developer tool. However, till now we have been reading and writing to a fairly static schema. In the final mapping, we will use an advanced option in the driver that will enable handling dynamic schemas. We'll open the ODBC manager again. Let's create a new MongoDSN as before. The only difference now will be that we will select the advanced option and select Enable Reading Writing as JSON document. I already have a DSN called MongoJSON with this change.
I will use this connection now in the Informatica developer tool. I have already imported the zips collection here. Everything is same as before, except now we have a special column called document as JSON. This column will contain the entire row as a JSON document and could be used for both reading and writing. In this case, we can see the contents of this column by doing a data preview. We can now see each row in the zips collection as a JSON document. We will now use this feature to write JSON with a dynamic schema directly to MongoDB. As an input, I will use a flat file that has 100 JSON formatted rows. These JSON rows need not adhere to a specific schema. Here, many rows do not have a date of first publication or genre fields, while some of them do. In the Informatica developer tool, I have already imported this flat file as a flat file object. It has a single field representing the entire row. We will now create a new mapping as before. Drag the books JSON file as a read object. We will drag the books stage collection in JSON as a write object. We will now connect the document as JSON field with the JSON column of the flat file. That's it. Let's run the mapping. We can now see that the book stage collection in MongoDB has the required output. PowerExchange for MongoDB uses data sampling for schema discovery, can read and write to a collection with static schema inside MongoDB using the columns discovered during sampling, and can read and write to a collection with a dynamic schema using the special document as JSON column. Thanks for watching.